You're cleansing, moisturizing, using the right serums. But your skin still breaks out, looks dull, or won't improve. Here's the truth. It's not your skincare routine that's the problem. It's what you do after it. These silent habits are sabotaging your skin, and you don't even realize it. Touching your face while scrolling. You just finished your routine. Skin looks great. But then Netflix, scrolling, endless TikToks, and your hand is on your cheek for hours. Here's the problem. Your phone, hands, and even your blanket carry bacteria. When you rest your face on your hand, all that grime transfers directly onto your skin. This creates the perfect environment for clogged pores, breakouts, and inflammation. It's not your toner's fault. It's your scrolling position. And no, using your sleeve isn't better either. Start by noticing how often your hands meet your face. Awareness alone can make a big difference. Dirty pillowcases and bedding. Even if your skincare products are top tier, none of it matters if your face spends the night on a bacteria-covered pillow. Sweat, oil, and dead skin cells collect fast. Within just a few nights, your pillowcase becomes a petri dish, especially for acne-prone skin. You're essentially undoing your nighttime routine while you sleep. Dermatologists recommend changing pillowcases every 2 to 3 nights. If that sounds too frequent, try rotating 2 to 3 clean cases throughout the week. And it's not just your pillow. Your sheets, hair, and even sleeping position can influence breakouts and irritation. Overheating your skin. Hot showers feel amazing. So does steaming your face. But your skin barrier thinks otherwise. Excessive heat, whether from long showers, facial steamers, or heated rooms, can strip the skin of natural oils. This weakens your moisture barrier, leading to dryness, redness, sensitivity, and long-term irritation. Even worse, it makes your skin overproduce oil to compensate, which leads to more breakouts. Instead of cranking up the heat, keep your showers short and warm, not hot. If you love steaming, limit it to once a week. Your skin barrier needs consistency, not a daily sauna session. Product hopping. When your skin is finally calm, it's tempting to try that new serum everyone's raving about, especially when your skin looks good. But that's the trap. Skin that's calm doesn't need more. Constantly introducing new ingredients throws off your skin's rhythm, especially if you're layering products without understanding their interactions. This leads to unexpected breakouts, redness, or flare-ups. If something works, stick with it. Let your skin breathe and maintain its balance. The best skincare is often boring. Consistency wins over trends every time. Resist the urge to chase newness when what you're already doing is giving you results. Rubbing your eyes or nose without thinking. Even if you avoid full face touching, rubbing your eyes, scratching your nose, or wiping your forehead can ruin hours of skincare. These gestures are usually unconscious but powerful. The thin skin around your eyes is already sensitive. Constant tugging leads to fine lines. Rubbing your nose or chin can spread bacteria and trigger oil glands. Instead, train yourself to dab or pat gently if you feel an itch. Keeping your hands busy, like with a stress ball, can also help reduce face touching during idle moments. Over-applying lip balm that contains irritants. You apply skincare to your face, but your lips get ignored. Or worse, they get constant balm reapplication. Many lip balms contain menthol, camphor, or alcohol, which feel soothing but actually dry your lips out over time. This creates a cycle of dependency. The more you use it, the worse it gets. If your lips are always chapped despite your efforts, check your balm's ingredients. Opt for formulas with shea butter, lanolin, or beeswax instead. And don't forget to exfoliate gently once a week to prevent buildup. It's not just about the routine. Skincare doesn't end at the last dab of moisturizer. It continues in the choices you make afterward. How you sleep, touch your face, clean your tools, and even what room you're in. The best routine can't outwork bad habits that happen outside the bathroom mirror. So instead of obsessing over more products, start fine-tuning the hours after you apply them. That's when your skin does its real healing, and where your results are either made or ruined. If this opened your eyes to mistakes you didn't know you were making, hit that like button and subscribe for more smart skincare tips. Your skin doesn't need more hype, it needs better habits. Take care of it even when the routine is over.